You built your shop on saying yes when others said no. But when your most profitable machines sit dark, saying yes gets harder every day. For too long, automation was built for the high-volume guys. For job shops like yours, the math just didn't work. It was too rigid and too expensive. But collaborative robots have fundamentally changed the economics. These robots are designed for the high-mix, low-volume reality of your business. They're fast to retask, work safely alongside your team, and are simple enough for your best machinists to program in just a few weeks. Imagine setting a job at 5 p.m. and walking into a bin of finished parts the next morning. No overtime multiplier, just pure value creation. That's not just efficiency, that's your time back. Time to bid more work, grow your business, or finally have dinner with your family on a weeknight. At Automation Distribution, we sell Saturday mornings, not just robots. Contact us today and let's get your spindles turning.